So in this tutorial, we are going to be making buttons, the start button for the game. So first, we're going to get the button. Choose a sprite, and it should be right here. There are 3 of them, button 1, button 2, and button 3. I'm going for button 2. Nice and cool. So now I'm going to drag it to where I want it to be, about there. And then I'm going to make it go to the front, right here, and show itself. Then I'm going to drag it to hide as well. So when the green flag is clicked, I want it to show up. Then, when it's clicked, I want it to hide and broadcast a new message called start.
Leave a like down below
Now,
if you want me to make more Scratch tutorials.
Won't do anything. It'll just broadcast start and nothing will happen. Right now, though, we should also add start right here so everyone knows what it is. Let's get a nice green. That's good. We can get marker or whatever font we want. Start. Go here. And now, the rocket ship, we're going to keep this, but we're going to have a when I receive start. So this will only happen when you press the button. Then we want to do this the same with this one. When I receive start. We kept this around so it wouldn't have the explosion while you're pressing the button. That's not good for show and stuff. Now, in the rocks, we don't want this to be when I receive start. Then bad things happen. Because that's the clone scripts, and you only want the clones doing that. Now, when I receive start, lasers, when I receive start, backdrops, this is very important actually, but not, well, I guess you can do away with it since probably better anyway. Yeah. I think we should move this up a little so you can see the rocket ship. So we can go to motion and have it go to. Now we can have the button show itself and then we can drag it. First, let's take this off and drag it to there. That's probably good. Now we can put that back and see how it automatically changes. And I think it should be in the middle, so I'm going to change this X to 0. So it's exactly in the middle. Now, we press the start button. And there we go. Our game.
Leave a like down below if you want me to make more Scratch tutorials.